What's going on, y'all? Fred Johnson coming back at you today from Central Florida with some tips on how you can type faster. I got to a point now where I can type about 130 to 160 words per minute, which is in the top 1%. And this has helped me get any and every task done quicker, helped me to be more efficient, more productive, and have more time for other things. So today I want to show you some tips on how you can start to type faster as well. There are 3 websites you can focus on to practice your typing. I encourage you to do it daily. Those 3 are Typing Club, Nitro Type, and 10 Fast Fingers. I'll do a video on each. Today I'm going to focus on Typing Club. So you simply go to typingclub.com, and from typingclub.com you get a free account. Now, if you're a teacher, this is awesome to use in the classroom. I used this, and I had my students on every day for 5 or 10 minutes as a warm-up. Gave me time to take attendance to do what I needed to do. They didn't need any help with it, but it was an extremely beneficial skill for them. So to get started, you'll simply log in. You can use your Google account to log in or create an account if you don't have one already. And from there, you can choose your language. You can choose a variety of different options. So we'll focus on English today. There's a paid version, but you're good with just the free version for now. It's called Typing Jungle. It's going to teach you how to type. So if you are a complete beginner, it's going to go through the home row and some typing techniques, placement tests.
So, I hear you want to...
And after you go through, it'll put you on some different activities that you'll complete. So for example, it's going to teach you what fingers to use, how to use those fingers, so on and so forth. And there's actually a placement test, so you can move on if you're further advanced in this, and you can see how many different lessons there are. Tons and tons and tons. This will keep you busy. I encourage you to just try and knock out 1 or 2 a day. And then over a year, I had students that went from 30 words per minute to 70 words per minute over the course of a year or 2. So you'll see each one of these gives you the chance to practice. If you get one wrong, you can just backspace, or you can just keep going. So you can see when I mess up, I can go back, or I can just leave it. You get a score, so it's very gamified. It's fun. You can, earn these badges and different things. So this is something you can do every day, and then I encourage you after you go through Typing Club to go on to the other ones I'm going to talk about in other videos. So if you improve your typing speed, even by 50%, or if you're able to double it, you're doubling your productivity for every task that you do on a computer. So it's extremely helpful in so many places in life. So I encourage you to start working on it. Build 3-4 minutes of your day around getting better at this every single day.